this is part of a group of videos changing Schrodinger's equation as well as creating new ways to test the many worlds hypothesis. Now, here is a picture of a very simple way of describing a machine to create parallel universes on the inside of other universes, according to the many worlds interpretation of physics. Now, around the perimeter, we have a quantum event, perhaps a laser bouncing off mirrors through an optical grating, and it takes a certain amount of chronological clock time to do its thing. And using optical techniques, that could actually be as slow as several seconds, or it could be as rapid as the speed of light through vacuum. Now in the middle, there could be a radioactive atom, or even a friction occurrence, which would cause also the creation of parallel universes according to the many worlds interpretation. Now, if you balance the times of these precisely, you can either make them occur at the same time, or you can make it so that this creation of a parallel universe is several times longer than this activity, or you can make this activity take several times longer than this. So what you get are these kinds of universes that contain other parallel universes, somewhat similar to the actual living creature known as a Volvox. So whatever size these universes are, and however they may expand or contract or whatever they contain, their physical properties should have some logical relationship to the surrounding quantum event that created a parallel universe during the process of their coming into being. And similarly, with this one, these optical quantum phenomena should have a stochastic radioactive half-life that is surrounding their particular mathematical determinism. So we see that it's actually possible to create many worlds interpretation parallel universes which either are surrounded by each other or are precisely the same size. Now, with this diagram, we're looking at the time span of the creation of a many worlds interpretation parallel universe with another quantum event that is also creating a parallel universe at the same time. At this point here, which could be called the chronological crossover point, the parallel universes have a kind of equality, which means that if there are any external effects at all, and I believe there are, then this is a place where they could be measured. And the measurement of those external effects would, under the right circumstances, prove the many worlds interpretation of quantum physics. Now, it wouldn't prove that there were people exactly like the viewer or me coming into being 10 to the 42nd times every second, because all it might prove is that hydrogen atom reflections of such a thing are occurring. Yet it's the beginning of testability of the many worlds interpretation. And since I'm a technologist, it's also the possibility of an opportunity to purposefully create parallel universes that people like.